Hello, my dear student. How are you? Great, great. I am fine. Good morning, ma'am and sir. My name is Sakshi. I am his teacher. So, today's topic is on fractions. Do you have any idea what are fractions? No? I am there to help you out. Fractions are mainly the part of anything. Now, the word fraction comes from the Latin word fractus, which means broken part. We can see here a circle drawn, right? It is having how many parts? It is having four parts. One, two, three, and four parts, right? Now, if we cut one part from it, how many parts are remaining there? Three parts. Of how many parts? Four parts. So, one part is out, cut from the circle. So we will write it as 1 by 4. This is a fraction, right? A part of anything. Okay. So I am giving you one more example. Like this. It is a form of writing a fraction. The above part like this. 2. It is known as numerator. Okay. It is known as numerator, and the below part, which is 3, it is known as denominator. Upper part is known as numerator and the below part is known as denominator. Okay, let us see more. Like 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 2 by 3, 6 by 7, all are known as fractions. Okay, they are part of something. Now fractions, like we can see this one example. This is a rectangle which is having two parts. One part and this is the second part, right? One part is shaded. So if the examiner asks you how much part or how much fraction is shaded, so what will you write? 1 by 2. Okay, fine. These are the examples of fractions. 1 by 5 as we have seen it earlier, right? Now we come to types of fractions. We will learn about this types of fractions. There are many fractions, right? Okay, like equivalent fraction, like fraction, unlike fractions, proper fraction, improper fraction, and unit fraction, mixed number. These are the types of fractions. Now we will come to equivalent fraction. Now, fractions which express the same part of a whole number but have different names are called equivalent fractions. Means, if we write 1 by 2, it is giving me 1 by 2 only. If we write 2 by 4, if we cut it by the table of 2, 2 comes in the table of 2, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. We will get the same fraction as 1 by 2, right? Now we will see 3 by 6. If we cut this by the table of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Again 1 by 2. Miracle, it's right. Number 4. Again by table of 2 or table of 4, right? 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Great. All are 1 by 2. So this expresses the same part of a whole number but have the different names like 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8. But if we cut these numbers, we will get the same fraction, which is the lowest form of the fraction. It is 1 by 2. Okay. Like if examiner gives you 4 by 9, to convert it in an equivalent fraction with the numerator as 20. Numerator means the above part you have to make 20. So how will you make 4 20? You have to multiply 5 with it, right? 4 into 5 gives you 20, and you will multiply the same number which you have multiplied it with 4, like 5. 9 into 5 gives you 45. It is compulsory. The number you will multiply with the numerator, the same number you will multiply it with the denominator too. To it will give you the equivalent fraction. Okay. Now we will come to missing numerator or denominator of equivalent fractions. We will solve some. Okay. Like 3 by 7. We have to get the numerator. So we will see 14. We can multiply it with 2. Then we are getting 14. So we have to multiply 2 with the same number, which is 3. 3 2s are 6. So the question mark will be 6 by 14. Okay, are you getting my point? Great, great. Now this you will do this one and this one as homework. Okay. Now we have to check for the equivalence of two fractions. Like, is 2 by 3 equivalent to 10 by 15? Okay. Cross products. If the cross products of the numbers are same, then we can say it is equivalent. Like 2 into 15 is equal to 30 and 3 into 10 is equal to 30. So we can say it is equivalent, right? Now we come to like fractions. Like fractions have the same denominator, like 3 by 8, 5 by 8. Denominator means the below part of the fraction is known as denominator. So denominator should be same in like fractions, like 3 by 8, 6 by 8, 9 by 8. Means everything will be 8 or any other number, but the denominator will be same for every fraction. Unlike fractions, they have different denominators, the opposite of like fractions. Like 3 by 5, 6 by 9, 9 by 25, the denominators are different. Okay, are you getting my point? Yes. Now we come to proper fraction. Fractions where numerators are smaller than denominators. Means the numerator is smaller than denominator, right? 1 by 2. 1 is smaller than 2. 5 by 6. 5 is smaller than 6. 3 by 4. 3 is smaller than 4. And 5 is smaller than 8. Okay. These are known as proper fraction where the numerators are smaller than the denominators. Okay. Now you are understanding it. Improper fraction. Now fractions where numerators are greater than denominator means the opposite of proper fractions. Means 33 is greater than 5, 16 is greater than 9, 99 is greater than 25, 12 is greater than 5. Like this. It is known as the improper fraction. Now, unit fraction means the numerator of unit fraction always remains 1. Okay, always remains 1. Now, 1 by 5, 1 by 9, 1 by 25, any number, the numerator will be 1 of the fraction. Then it is known as unit fraction. Now, mixed numbers means it is a combination or improper fraction, and natural number and a proper fraction is called a mixed number. Like 3, we can say it as 3 whole 1 by 5. 3 whole 1 by 5. 6 whole 2 by 3. 7 whole 6 by 8. 11 whole 1 by 5. And 33 whole 1 by 3. This part is the natural number, and this part is known as the proper fraction. Proper fraction, you know, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Correct. Very nice. Okay. So, we have to convert something in mixed fraction. Okay. How will we write that? The natural number will be at first, then we will write the remainder over here and 5 over in the denominator. Okay, are you understanding it? Right. See. And mixed number into improper fraction, how will you write that? We have to simply multiply this one. Okay, when we will multiply 33 into 3, we get 99, which is written over here. Then we have to plus it with this number, right? 33 into 3, we get 99. We will plus 1, which is equal to 100. So 100 by 3 means we have to write this number as the base or denominator. So it will be 100 by 3. So this is the fractions. Fractions are a part of a whole number. There are many types of fractions. Thank you so much. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. Great, great. You enjoyed it. Very nice. Thank you for the feedback. Thank you. Bye.